Hello everyone, this is a short video where I'll show you how you can connect a second monitor with your laptop or desktop. Before we get started, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell icon. So you see, I have this laptop, right, where I'm just showing you this PPT, while I have another monitor. You can see it's a little dirty because I don't use it. So this is my monitor. And you have this VGA cable. So you can see here, this is my VGA cable using which I will connect this monitor to my laptop. So this is my laptop. So you can see here, let me just show you properly. So you can see here, this is the VGA cable which will go here. All right. So in your laptop, you can have various display ports. For example, you can have VGA cable, or you can have DVI-D or DVI, or you can also have mini DVI or micro DVI, or you can have HDMI port, right? So it all depends. In my case, I have this VGA cable. So let me just do one thing. First, let me just show you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this inside this, like you can see here. This is my monitor. So let me switch it on. So this is my LG monitor. Let me just switch it on. All right. Now you can see here, I've placed my laptop as well as desktop. I mean, it's not exactly desktop. This is just the monitor, the second one. And this is my laptop, right? So whatever screen you can see here, I have opened here. So this is my laptop, and the same screen you can see it is there in my desktop. And I have placed in such a way that you can able to see both the screens. All right. So you can see here parallelly. Now, let me just show you another thing. So first, in your laptop, you just right click and go to display settings. All right. And here you see it shows 1/2, right? So what happens is you have connected one monitor here, and this is your laptop. So that is the reason it is showing 1 and 2. That means 1 is your laptop and 2 is your monitor, right? And let me just show you again few other options which you have here. So you can just click on this identify. So if you click here, you see here it shows 1/2, and in some cases, in some of the laptops, it will give one box for laptop and another box here will be for monitor. So it will show 1 and 2. So if it is showing 1, that means it is laptop or through the device from which you have connected, and the 2 will be mostly monitors unless you have changed the settings. All right. So let's come down, and here you see if I just come down, a few options, and if you just see here, you have multiple displays. So this option is important. Notice that at this moment it is showing duplicate these displays. So whatever I'll be having in this screen, I mean in this particular laptop, the same thing will be available in this monitor screen. You can see here, and let me just change it here. So I'm changing it in my laptop. So let me just say, first, let me just go to show only on 1. So if I click here, now you see here, it is showing everything on my laptop, but nothing is shown on this monitor screen. That means I'm showing everything only on first screen. That means only on my laptop. All right. And if you just click on this keep changes, you see here, there will be an option to keep changes. So let me just go back again, click on show only on 1 and click on keep changes. And now you see the second monitor, I mean the second screen is not having anything, and you have everything displayed on your laptop. Now, if I just change it to, let's say, show only on 2, if I click here, now you'll notice that everything now it is visible only on screen 2. That means everything is visible or everything is displayed on the monitor. You see here, this is my laptop, nothing is visible here, and on the monitor you see everything is displayed. Now let me just show you, if I just change it to, let's say, duplicate these displays. Now you see it is showing in my laptop screen. You can see clearly this is my laptop screen. Let me keep change, and you can see here that it is also displayed on my monitor screen. All right, and the last and very important option we have is, let's say here, extend these displays. So if I click here, notice carefully, if I click on this keep changes, now at this moment you see I have a total different screen on my monitor, right? And you see here at this moment, if I just bring my cursor towards the left side, nothing happens. If I go to top, you see, notice my cursor, nothing is happening on the monitor. Again, if I go to down, let's say here, you see here, nothing is changing in my monitor. But if you notice carefully, if I just go to right, now you see here, my cursor has now come here on my monitor. You see here, you will not be able to see the cursor here, right? And if you want to bring the cursor to my laptop, what you have to do is you have to again come to left, and now you see here, now this particular cursor is visible on my laptop. Again, if I want to go and access the screen of the monitor, I'll come towards the right side, and now you see, now it has come to this monitor. All right, and then you have other options. For example, you can see here, let me first come to my desktop, to my actual laptop, and here you see it is showing make this my main display. So you see here, this is disabled at this moment. You see here, if I click, nothing happens because it is already my main display. All right, so let me do one thing. You see here, if I just select here, you see here, now I have 1 as well as 2. So 1 is my laptop and 2 is my monitor, right? So this is my monitor. And if I click on 2, you see I have selected 2. That means if I just come down, you see this option is enabled now, and it says make this as my main display. Now you notice carefully, if I select this, now you see this is my main display. You see here the cursor is here, and you see there is no cursor here. All right, and everything will be displayed on the second monitor. You see here, everything is getting displayed on the second monitor. And let me do one thing. You see here, if I just try here, you see, you can now see the cursor. You see here, it is here. If I just go to right, now my cursor is on the screen. That is my monitor screen. And if I just go to the left, you see now the cursor is showing on my laptop, right? So let me just select the first, and if I select this, and let me make this as my main display. So click here, right? And now you see here, you can see the changes. Now there is nothing on my monitor screen. You see here, this is the screen of my monitor, and it is not showing the content, or it is not displaying the icons of my laptop. All right, so you have both the options, and you can also connect to a wireless display. Then you have advanced display settings and so on. So you can exclude this one, but my main purpose for creating this video was to connect the monitor screen to your laptop or desktop. All right, and you can see here, if I open the PowerPoint, let's say this is my PowerPoint, it is not showing in my monitor. If you want to show this to your monitor, and your goal is that you want to show only this monitor screen, then you can just go to your settings, and here just come down, and you have option of extend this displays. And if you want to duplicate, just click on this duplicate these displays, keep changes, and now everything will be visible on your monitor as well. So these two options are very important, that is duplicate these displays, and the other option is extend these displays. All right, so that's it in this short video. I hope this is useful for all of those who want to connect your monitor with your laptop or desktop. So thanks for joining. Take care. Bye.